Good morning, boys and girls. Nurse Susanna and I hope you enjoyed our theme last week of keeping our bodies well. This week we're going to talk about body parts. The first body part we're going to talk about is the heart. My favorite body part is the heart because before I was the preschool nurse, I was a heart nurse. I have been a heart nurse for 12 years. So the heart is my favorite body part. Another name for a body part is called an organ. An organ is a body part that has a special job. Examples of organs are the brain, lungs, the stomach, and the heart. The heart has a very important job. The heart is the organ that pumps blood through your entire body. How cool is that? That is why it's my favorite thing. The heart is inside of your chest and it is protected by your rib cage. It's about the size of your fist. Can y'all make a fist? That's how big your heart is. And it is right here underneath your rib cage. Your heart is made of 4 chambers that has arteries and veins. The heart takes the deoxygenated blood from your body and sends it to the lungs, another important organ that we're going to discuss next. To be reoxygenated, you need oxygen to live. Once the blood collects the oxygen from the lungs then send the oxygenated blood back to the heart. The heart then pumps the blood into tubes called arteries. The blood travels through the arteries and delivers the oxygenated blood to the other important organs in your body. All of the special organs require oxygen. Once the organ uses all of the oxygen in the blood then becomes deoxygenated and needs to get back to the heart, to get to the lungs, to become reoxygenated. The blood travels back to the heart through tubes called veins. This pattern happens over and over again. The heart is part of the circulatory system. To circulate means to go around and around. The heart, arteries, and veins are part of the circulatory system. It's so important to keep our heart healthy by exercising and eating right, both things Nurse Susanna and I talked about last week. I know all of this can sound really confusing at first, so I'm going to attach a really fun video song that kind of goes over everything I just said in a really fun way. I also have a really cool diagram here of what the heart looks like. I know it probably doesn't look like what you would think a heart looks like, but this is exactly how it looks inside your body. It has all the different chambers that we talked about, the 4 different chambers, and the red tubes are the arteries, and the blue tubes are the veins. Hope you enjoyed this.